I get it why everybody's so obsessed with glass skin. The results don't lie. If you asked me about this glass skin last year, I had no idea. Everything changed for me when I went to Korea and started using Korean products. And the results don't lie. First, I start with the oil cleanser. Basically, this melts away everything off of your face. Dirt, oil, makeup, uncloths, unblocked, clears out the pores. Then I go in circular motion and I just make sure I massage my nose the most because that's where all the black hats and white hats are at. And my largest pores are my nose. Now, let's wash. After a oil cleanser, you want to go with a normal cleanser like a foam cleanser, cream cleanser, powder cleanser. Double cleansing is one of the best things to do for your skin. This cleanser is made of a fruit called Noni, which I have never tried it. It's made from a Noni extract. You can only find these kind of ingredients in a Korean product. This is a Korean cleanser. The brand's called Celimax. After trying this once or twice, I became so obsessed with this because it literally made my skin look so glowy without putting anything. After just one wash, it felt just so good and hydrated. Let me go wash my face and I'll be back and we can continue. Do you see all this shine? Then I'm gonna go with this Deep Retreat from Benefit Cosmetics. This is a pore clearing clay mask. Basically, you're taking your pores to a spa. It feels gentle and comfortable. This is a mineral rich kaolin clay mask. Helps to deep clear your pores. Now I'm gonna just lay down for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Do you guys see this little bubble oils? Mostly on my nose and my forehead. They're basically coming out of my pores. Impurities, oil, dirt. So mostly I had it right here. Let me go wash. I'll be back. This is another Korean product and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know this brand. It's called Medicube. It's very big in the US right now. They have such amazing products, to be honest with you. I've been using their products since last year, but this is something new that they just launched in the US. This is their night collagen wrapping mask. Like, you're supposed to sleep with this, and when you wake up, you have like a glass skin. So when you wake up, it should look like this. It looks very glassy. It looks like you can see a reflection on your face. This is not like a typical peeling mask. It's not gonna get stuck on your hair or brows. You can literally put it over your brows. It's not gonna pull anything out. And then you just want to peel this off, wash your face, and you'll see the glow on your skin. This product actually went viral on TikTok and everybody tried this and everybody like gave such a good feedback. If you haven't tried this, give this a try. It actually really works. It keeps your skin hydrated, glowy. It helps with the collagen, anti-aging, wrinkle, and firming your skin. It lifts the skin at nighttime. This is basically to prevent lines and all kind of thing that goes to your skin. It's like a wall between your skin and like environment. So your skin is basically not moving while you're sleeping, your face going to the left, to the right on the pillow. This is a Noni fruit extract serum and I like to apply one pump of this all over my skin. This is made with natural Noni fruit extract. I wonder why this was ranked #1 in all of Young, the Korean version of Sephora. I've been to all of Young. It is 10 times crowded than Sephora. People love to take care of their skin over there. Oh my god, I just love this. This product is formulated with natural Noni fruit extract, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It calms the skin redness, provides hydration, and helps to get glass skin. Perfect for those of you that have sensitive and combination skin type. This feels like it's giving me an instant skin radiance. Look at the back of my hand. I haven't even done any other skincare. This is definitely a glass skin. Then I'm going with the Serum Deliba. I like to spray this before I start my skincare. My double serum from Clarins Paris. I love this serum. It is so radiant. It feels so hydrated on my skin. Glowy, dewy. I'm just obsessed with this serum. Then I like to go with this eye double serum from Clarins Paris. When you pop the serum out, it comes with serum and some kind of a white product. And this is a perfect anti-aging. It firms under your eyes. It reduces wrinkle and dark circles. I love these two double serums. This basically shrinks your pores. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. And you want to apply this at nighttime when you go to bed. This basically shrinks your pores while you're sleeping. Then I go with a moisturizer from L'Occitane. When it comes around the winter, my skin starts peeling. It gets so dry. So for me to follow all these steps are so necessary because I have such a dry skin. And who doesn't want beautiful and glass skin? And then lastly, my lip mask from Lawless. Look, this is not oily. This is a glass skin, and I own this. The results don't lie. Let me show you guys a before and after. Ladies, take care of your skin. Skin is one of the best things. It makes you feel good, confident, beautiful, amazing. I love it. You could just walk out of the house like this with no makeup. This is the end of our skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And all the products are tagged in this video, either in the description or on the video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment. If you like this video, give your girl a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I post amazing videos. Make sure to click the bell icon so we can stay in touch.